eternal. There was a world before here, there was a world now, there will be a world after, and another world after that. And so we dance to honor the hoop. All of life dances in a circle. The smallest particles that we know, the atom, the symbol for nuclear energy. There's a nucleus, the proton, neutron, electron. What do? They dance in a circle around the neutron. The sun rose today. The sun will set. Mother Earth is dancing in a circle. And the moon is also dancing in a circle. All the planets are dancing in a circle with the changing of the seasons. And the Hubble telescope has shown us that the many faraway galaxies are not linear. They are also swirling in a circle in deep space. So it is only right that we also dance in a circle. So as you watch sky, you will honor the many life forms within a circle of life. The butterfly, the clouds, the flowers blooming, the many birds that are soaring about. Even the horse will appear with the rider twirling his lasso over his head. So at this time, please welcome Sky as he does the hoop dance. second. World champion.